Hi guys! How to use Cloudflare DNS on Windows PC. Now, from your Windows 11 desktop, go down to the search bar at the bottom, type Wi-Fi, and select Wi-Fi settings from the results. This first step takes just 3 seconds. Click directly on your active Wi-Fi network, the one listed right beneath the main Wi-Fi toggle. Don't click anything else or you'll end up in the wrong menu. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your network details page until you see DNS server assignment, then click the edit button next to it. This is where most people give up, so keep watching. Here's the magic step. Change the drop-down from automatic DHCP to manual. Toggle on IPv4, then enter preferred DNS 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS 1.0.0.1. These are Cloudflare's super fast DNS servers, way faster than your ISP's default. Click the Save button to apply the changes. That's it. Your PC is now using Cloudflare DNS, which means faster browsing and better privacy starting right now.